Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how to work with joins in MySQL. So join is a clause. It is used to combine rows from two or more tables, that is to join tables, and the joining is based on a related column. That is both the tables, let's say we have two tables, both the tables will get joined on the basis of a related column. So the types of joins are inner join, left join, right join, and full join. Full join is not supported in MySQL. So let's talk about inner join. Inner join returns records that have matching values in both the tables. So if both the tables having some matching values, then the result will be the same. That is the records having matching values. Left join. Using left join, you can return all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. So under right join, this is the opposite of left join. Under right join, you can return all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. Now we will understand the concept of all the three joins using an example. So guys, now you can see we have started our MySQL server. Now we have two tables which we'll join. That is, the first one is employee table. So let's display the records from the table using select star from employee, semicolon, press enter. Here is the records of the employee table, and the second table we are having is department, semicolon, press enter. Now both the tables are visible. Here both the tables are linked using a related column. Yes, the related column is department ID. It's present in the employee table as well as under the department table. We will join both the tables using this. At first, let's begin with inner join. So using inner join, we can easily return records that have matching values in both the tables. So for that, let's write the query. So at first, under select, we are including the EMP ID from the employee table, that is this one, and DEPT name from the department table. So the output will be having two columns. Now press enter. Mention the table name we want from the employee table. How we will get both the values? By joining them using inner join. Now press enter. So here you can see we joined both the tables using employee.department ID and department.department ID. That is this ID and from this ID. Department ID in department table is the primary key and employee ID in the employee table is primary key. So this is the syntax inner join. Inner join department, that means we are joining employee with department table using the department ID column, that is the related column. So now on pressing enter, the output will be visible. That is the matching values. Here you can see the matching values are visible. Employee ID 100 and employee ID 102. Here employee ID 100 is having department ID 2 and it is also visible here, and 102 employee ID is having department ID 3 and the same is visible here. Now we'll see how we can work with left join. So left join returns all rows from the left table even if there are no matches in the right table. So for that, let's say we have two tables, department and employee. So let's print the values. The first table, select star from employee. Here are the records of the employee table. Now let's get the records of the department table. Press enter. Here you can see records from both the tables are visible. Now we will perform left join. So here in the output we will display the employee ID from employee table and department name from the department table. Now let's mention the table name. Press enter. So here we are using left join to join both the tables, that is department and employee, on the basis of their IDs. Let's see. So we are joining both the tables on the basis of department ID in the employee table and department ID in the department table. So this is the primary key of the department table, and for the employee table the primary key is EMP ID. So we are joining both of them to work on left join so that we can return all rows from the left table even if there are no matches in the right table. Now let's press enter after using semicolon. On pressing enter, you can see the output is visible. Now let's see how we can work with right join. So right join returns all rows from the right table even if there are no matches in the left table. So it is the opposite of left join. So let's say we have two tables. Select star from employee, our first table, and department table. So these are our two tables. Now let's say we need to perform the right join. So we will perform right join using the related column, that is DPT department ID in the employee table and department ID in the department table. So let's perform the query. Here we are displaying EMP ID from employee table and DPT name from the department table. From department, now using right join, we have joined both the tables, department and employee, on the basis of the department ID in both the tables, that is this department ID in both the tables. Now what you need to do, press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the values are visible. That means we got all the records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily work with joins in MySQL. We saw what is an inner join and what are left join and right join. These are also called left outer join as well as right outer join. So guys, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.